The University of Minnesota's Field School for Agricultural Professionals will be held July 30th and 31st at the St. Paul campus of the University of Minnesota. This hands-on field experience is taught by top university faculty and provides personalized instruction and hands-on group activities as attendees hone their diagnostic skills in disease, insect, and crop management areas. Topics on day one include corn and soybean agronomics, or herbicide mode of action and crop injury symptoms, insect identification, and managing the variability of soil sampling strategies. Day 2 topics include weed identification, crop diagnostics, and managing corn diseases, understanding soybean and corn yield components, corn rootworm management updates, interpreting soil health tests, and alfalfa and small grain agronomics. Certified crop advisors can earn up to 12 continuing education units. You can register for one or both days of the field school, but space is limited, so register early.